Today I'm going to be showing you how to style your topper, how to make it look natural, and if you've been wearing your human hair for a while in a straight style and you are ready to change it up and put some curls, however you might not be ready to wash it yet, I'm going to show you a tutorial on what I do to make sure that your curls are gonna last. Let me show you what I do, and yeah, let's get started. So I just put the wig on onto a blockhead with a stand, and then I clip my topper onto it. That's it. So the topper that I'll be styling today is called Savannah, and it is in vanilla butter blonde color. It is so gorgeous. And this topper is in 16 inches. So we're gonna start with spraying your topper with just plain water. You don't need to drench it, but give it a good spritz. Okay, now my topper is damp. I also like to go in here and spritz where the part is, because we're gonna blow dry this off the face for more natural appearance. Okay, so what you'll need is just a blow dryer, and what you'll do is blow dry your hair around and make sure to concentrate up here to give it a nice lift. What you'll do is blow dry from underneath to redirect the hair to go up, and then continue blow drying the rest of the topper. And I'm gonna turn on my curling iron and show you what I do next. I use the heat on this one on 365, and you will start by curling away from the face. So each side you're gonna be curling away. And let me show you. You will clamp like this and then twist and roll the hair on. And just like that. So you'll do all of this until you get to the center of the back, and then you'll curl this away until they all meet. So now that my topper is completely curled, I'm just going to let it cool off for about 10-15 minutes, and then I'll be back and we're gonna brush it out, and I'll put it on and show you the final result. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on and show you what it looks like, guys. Look how pretty it is. Beautiful. So with this topper, Savannah silk top, you have a comb so you can slide that into your hair. Clip. And run your fingers through to blend your bio hair. I will also brush mine. Hold on to your topper on top so you don't pull on your hair. So just pull a little bit over here to cover up the topper right here. And that's it. Beautiful result, and these curls will relax a little bit and it's just gonna be gorgeous.